Creating a comic strip usually takes drawing skills, time, and a lot of planning. But with AI, that's no longer the case. In this video, I'll show you how to create a comic strip with AI using OpenArt AI, step by step. And before we begin, if you wish to start off quickly and easily, we have a direct link to OpenArt AI in the video description, so you can just start right now and follow me as we talk in the video. Enjoy. So now, as a intro for you guys, why OpenAI works well for comic strips. So this one is great for comic creation because it allows you to generate consistent characters, control art style and mood, create multiple panels quickly, and experiment with poses and expressions. This makes it ideal for webcomics, short stories, social media posts, and creative projects. Okay, and now guys, you can start planning your comic panels. Before generating images, outline your comic. You're going to have to decide how many panels you need, what happens in each panel, and basic dialogue or actions. You don't need full scripts, just simple panel descriptions. Alright, and now we go to Home and open the image generation tool. For this, you go Image and then Create an image. Press on this. And this takes us to this kind of interface where we can start generating. As you can see, I already have a bunch of created images right here that I created in other tutorials of ours. And in your prompt, you can define the comic style clearly. I'll give you a few examples. For example, comic strip style, bold outlines, flat colors, or manga style comic panel, clean line art. Also, Western comic book style, dramatic shading. Using the same style keywords in every panel keeps everything consistent. And you will have to generate panel by panel, so one panel at a time. So for each panel, you just describe the scene in action, mention comic panel or comic strip frame, and keep characters' descriptions consistent. So I will use my example, which is going to be comic panel, character standing in a room, surprised expression, bold outlines. And repeat this process for each panel in your strip. So let us begin. Alright, so this is my prompt. And of course, guys, don't forget to choose your settings. Choose which, for example, aspect ratio you wish to go for. I will go for just a usual 16:9 cinema. I will leave these at default. If you wish to change them, you can. And let us create, for example, 2 images. Press on Create. You will be charged your credits. As you can see, 10 credits per 2 images. I have 3,500, so should be good enough. And now, as you can see, they are created. And as you can see, we have this kind of character, but the pretty much the dialogue, or this little cloud with the text, as you can see, it's quite messy. So you will have to let the AI know which text you want, because this one is automatically generated and it doesn't make any sense. As you can see, this isn't even a language. And yeah, if you wish to insert the text, just pretty much go ahead and write it down in your prompt. And now I will give you also some tips to maintain character consistency. So to keep characters looking the same, reuse the same character descriptions. Keep clothing, hair, and colors identical. Avoid changing too many traits between panels. This makes your comic feel cohesive and readable. And when you're done, you can just download and assemble your comic. Of course, don't forget to create the next ones, the next pages, and then you can just go ahead and press on Download As and choose your preferred extension of the file. I'll just download the PNG lossless. And now, as you can see, you can generate a full comic this way. Just don't forget to create these bubbles properly, just like I said in the prompt. Just tell the AI what you wish to be written inside of them. And that's it, guys. This is how you create a comic strip. It doesn't have to be complicated or technical anymore. If you want to try this yourself, of course, don't forget, you will find the OpenArt AI link in the video description, so make sure to check it out. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. See you in the next video.